It's not that the financial information isn't useful. It is, but it has declined in importance relative to other metrics that investors now use. A great example is software as a service metrics, SaaS metrics. Those in the subscription economy are far more important and useful to investors than anything in the financial statements. And that's what I encountered when I worked in a tech startup that was growing and had venture money. Nobody looked at the financials. The investors didn't care. We just did them for compliance reasons. So one way that accounting as a profession could become more relevant is to actually standardize SaaS metrics and to start requiring companies that are subscription businesses like Netflix to report those metrics and to do it in a comparative way, in a way where we can compare the number of subscribers of Netflix and the lifetime value of Netflix customers versus, say, Amazon Prime customers, for example. That would be really fascinating and useful information that investors would want to have, I think. But we haven't done hardly anything. Now, the good news is that the FASB, the Financial Accounting Standards Board, is now asking for input on intangible assets, which they have basically ignored for decades. It's like they are completely asleep when it comes to this massive change that has happened, where our economy is now driven by intangibles. So they have issued an invitation to comment, an ITC, and they're soliciting feedback on potentially improving accounting practices and disclosures for intangible assets. Examples include brand recognition, copyrights, patents, trademarks, trade names, customer relationships, and customer lists. But I would hope that they would think about like subscribers, that sort of thing. And maybe I'll make the time to actually comment on this.